In this video, we'll be learning how to calculate other measures of location such as percentiles. Just imagine this solid line as a dataset starting from the lowest value to the highest value. Percentiles split the dataset into 100 parts. So, if we take the 10th percentile lies 1/10 of the way through the dataset. You could say 10% if we look from the lowest value. So here, 10% of the data values are less than the 10th percentile and 90% are greater. When data are presented in a grouped frequency table, you can use a technique called interpolation to estimate the percentiles. When interpolation is used, we assume that the data values are evenly distributed within each class. In my previous statistic video, we learned how to find the quartiles in discrete data and in a grouped frequency table using interpolation. So now let's take a look at how to find percentiles using interpolation. Example, here the data are presented in a grouped frequency table. Now use interpolation to estimate the value of the 70th percentile. First, let's add all the frequencies together, then the total is 100. So, now to find the 70th percentile, you multiply the total frequencies by 70%. Then, P70 equals 100 times 70 over 100 equals 70. So, here the 70th percentile is the 70th data value. The 70th data value falls into this class interval. Now, before using interpolation, let's find the class boundaries of this class interval. So here the data has gaps and hence the class boundaries are 30.5 and 40.5. Now let's calculate the 70th percentile using interpolation. So here the endpoints at the top of the line represent the class boundaries in which the 70th percentile or P70 falls into. In this case 30.5 and 40.5. The values at the bottom represents the cumulative frequencies of the previous classes and this class. So, as you can see here, the total of the frequencies of the previous classes before the class interval 31 to 40 is 60, and with this class interval the total adds up to 84. Since we know the 70th percentile is the 70th data value, so here this is 70. Now, to find the 70th percentile, we can make an equation by equating these two fractions. P70 minus 30.5 over 40.5 minus 30.5 equals 70 minus 60 over 84 minus 60. If we were to describe this equation, here the 70th value lies 70 minus 60 over 84 minus 60 of the way into the class. So, the 70th percentile lies P70 minus 30.5 over 40.5 minus 30.5 of the way between the class boundaries. Now, to solve this, P70 minus 30.5 over 10 equals 10 divided by 24, P70 equals 34.7. Now, let's take a look at another example. Here, the data is also represented in a grouped frequency table. Now, use interpolation to estimate the value of the 90th percentile. So first, add all the frequencies together. Then it's 12 plus 14 plus 4 equals 30. So, P90 equals 30 times 90 over 100 equals 27. The 90th percentile is the 27th data value and the 27th data value lies in this class interval. Now, let's find the class boundaries of this class interval. So, as you can see here, the data has no gaps and hence the class boundaries are 29 and 31. Now, let's use interpolation to find the 90th percentile. So here the class boundaries are 29 and 31 and the cumulative frequencies of the previous classes and this class add up to 26 and 30. As 12 plus 14 equals 26 and 26 plus 4 equals 30. The 27th data value lies somewhere in between, so P90 minus 29 over 31 minus 29 equals 27 minus 26 over 30 minus 26. P90 equals 29.5 degrees Celsius. So, this is the 90th percentile.